We're at 114 South Kilkea. We're doing a sewer inspection of the sewer line here. I couldn't find a 4-inch clean out. All the crawl spaces are sort of caged off, so you can't get into them. The only accessible one is over here by the driveway, and it's nowhere near the sewer line, so I couldn't find a clean out in any of the crawl spaces. There's a bunch of 1.5-inch clean outs, but no 4-inch clean out. There is a 4-inch roof vent right here next to the back door. Right next to the back door there's a bathroom, and coming up here you can see a big large 4-inch cast iron roof vent. That's where we're running it from right now. Looks like this line goes across from the driveway side to the other side of the house and then straight out. I've left a flag marking right underneath the living room window. I'm going to make sure that he takes a picture of that flag, because most likely if they do want to put in a clean out, that'd be the perfect spot to put it. It's about 27 inches down. It's not that deep. Nice 4-inch clean out, so that if anything does go down the line, or if any stoppages do occur, or if you eventually do get roots somewhere down the line, you'll be able to clean it out. Otherwise there's really no way to do it except from this roof vent right here, and that would take a lot of cable going up, going down, and across the house, so that would be quite a job. So I do recommend putting in a 4-inch clean out sooner, maybe down the line, sooner or later. Otherwise, the line is cast iron all the way out to the sidewalk. Right at that marking right there is where it transitions from cast iron to clay. So most of this line is old cast iron. It's in good shape though. I mean, I don't see a lot of buildup in it. And then it transitions to terracotta clay right at the sidewalk. Right there, it's a good 5 feet down. I've marked it right there, and we've looked from there all the way out into the middle of the street. That's actually where we're at right now. I'm going to push it a little further so you can see the center where everyone ties in. Or you can see other people's water going by. In fact, I'm going to push it through there right now, just so you can see where we tie into the city sewer. Alright, this is the city sewer drop-in, and this is where everybody else's water comes in. And this is where your lateral is. You can see the bend right before it ties into the city sewer. So we're looking for any shifts or roots, and that's the city right there. Okay, so we're looking for any shifts, any root intrusion, any breaks in the pipe, and I really didn't see any major shifts or anything like that. I would just be careful and don't plant any trees on top of the sewer line, or any aggressive trees like ficus, eucalyptus, anything like that, because eventually it'll make its way down into the clay line. So just be careful what you plant near the sewer line. Alright, there's the tie-in. I'm going to pull back on it. And that's what the connections look like right here. So you can see where there's really no shifts. It's in good shape. Now what they use to put these joints together, these concrete connections, is they use, these clay connections, they use concrete. So a lot of times in between the sections where they're connected, you'll see some concrete pushed up on it, and that's really no concern. It's just what they use to connect these clay pipes together with. Plus, as soon as you get past the sidewalk, it turns into a 6-8-inch line, so those lines are really harder to stop up, but still you want to make sure that they're in good condition or maintained. We're coming into cast iron right now, so you can see where it transitions from clay to cast iron. So this is the clay, and then you can see where it gets rougher and transitions to cast iron right here. Right now we're by the sidewalk, and we're coming back up the lawn. Now up the lawn, in the middle of the lawn, it's a good 5 feet, and then 4 feet closer getting to the house. And as I mentioned, that one next to the window is only 27 inches down, so that's not too deep. I did mention them, since it's a long run from this back bathroom, to make sure that the only thing that goes down the toilet is toilet paper. No dental floss, no Q-tips, no feminine napkins of any kind, no paper towels. Flushable wipes, don't even do those because they don't really dissolve in water. And now with low flush toilets, they end up staying in the line. So the only thing that should go down the toilet is toilet paper. Here's the 4-inch roof vent that we ran it from on top of the roof. If they were ever to have to do the main line, if they ever wanted to clean it good, they would have to do it from this 4-inch roof vent. So I'm going to recommend that you put it in a clean out, just in case anything happens in the future. Okay, otherwise the sewer line looks great. Wrap it up.